We've got some electrical wiring going on. We've got a little plumbing work going on. Nothing like playing with electricity and fire to keep them interested.
The EmpowHER program is to help provide young women the opportunity to learn skills in the trades and understand what that's all about, in case they decide they want to go to college and do this type of work. It's really fun, it's rewarding, it pays well, it's a great program. The EmpowHER program allows young girls to come in and try it out to see if they'll like it.
I actually come from a trade background myself. I am a licensed electrician, so this is kind of a good field for me to be in, still connected to the electrical field, but yet helping women get into those non-traditional fields.
I'm hoping that this can help me learn to be more, less anxious about things. I'm also hoping that I can just be more well-rounded so I know more, so I can help my dad.
I prefer to do it myself, and I want to know how to do it versus rely on someone. And my dad has this thing where he likes to do it himself, and I want to know more than him. I'm competitive in that type of stuff. So I just kind of want to, broaden my horizons and see how much I can learn and see if I can pass him.
Our vision for the campers is just to give them the safe space opportunity to explore different careers. So it gives them a place to connect with other local girls and our instructors, and gives them that chance to just do some hands-on projects and activities that they may not do in the high schools or they may not be doing in their homes. So they can do a little piece of electrical or HVAC or auto or welding and have that space to do that and learn in that and think, oh, maybe this is something I need to do.
This stuff is necessary, and it is good for them to learn these skills. And plus, as an employer, if you're an employer, this is a great opportunity to make connections with kids and kind of get them interested in your field.
So welding is why I'm here, because I'm a welding instructor, and I love to work with people and teach them my trade, because I have been a welder for over 30 years and have never regretted my choice to become a welder. I absolutely love my job.
Don't think about it too much, just kind of do it, because you're going to have fun either way.
My message is to those people who are wanting to do this is to just do it. This is a fun experience. You get to go out into the world. It's local, so it's easy to get to. There's really nice people here. It's such a fun opportunity to make friends, learn new things, and just have fun.